What's up, guys? Welcome to Old Bob and Lindsay's channel too. I'm gonna do this food review. Got the munchies and what the fuck? I just got them. Ooh, okay. 8 Crumb top donuts. Here we go. This shit. It look good as fuck, man. So, fuck yeah. Oh, there's the, oh, that damn, I'm watching this movie. That dog's creepy. He knows, he's very smart. It's called Man's Best Friend. He's like a science-built dog from 1993 movie.
I agreed to let you kill him, didn't I? The least you could do is... You gotta meet me halfway.
Damn. Oh, shit. Yeah. He wants to eat his balls and shit, man. Oh, these look good, though. Shit. These do look good as fuck. So, alright. Cheers.
Based on the descriptions you gave us for several suspects, all of them have prior arrests for illegal animal rights activities and so forth. So, what we want you to do is take a look at a couple of these pictures.
Good. Thank you.
Hey, Doc, have a seat. I think we got something for you here.
That is good as shit.
These are our prime suspects.
Oh, yeah.
That's sleeping too good.
Anything?
No.
Take your time.
No, nothing. What do I do now?
Man, that's really fucking good.
From the lab.
No good. Came up empty.
You know, we're on borrowed time, folks.
All right, Doc, look, you're a little strung out, you're tired. Why don't you go home, we'll round up a few suspects.
This bullshit is not gonna do anything. What we gotta do is go out there and...
Those are fucking
rescue my
amazing.
dog.
We're doing the best we can.
I'll tell you something. I've given a dangerous and experimental animal a neuropathic drug to keep him stable, keep him calm. When that drug wears off, he is gonna snap.
Hey, don't do that kind of shit again.
We're sitting on a time bomb.
And you're talking about going out and dusting for prints. Oh, tell us how to do our job.
You don't get it, do you? Max is fragmenting. He's coming apart. If I don't get him tonight, he's gonna go through a psychotic episode.
You're the only fucking psycho around here.
Hey, where you going? We're not done.
We're not talking about Man's Best Friend.
That's what the movie's called. Oh shit. Ooh.
Sorry, Pooch.
Sorry, Pooch. Yeah, Max is gonna kill this kid too, then. Maybe. Oh shit, he's coming up on him. Oh shit. She didn't even know. By her calling her dog, saved that kid's life. That's enough sweets for me. I did.
His word is.
I ate 3 of them.
Can you say bird face? There you go.
That is some good shit. Oh yes, sir. We. Hell yeah. Crumb top donuts are fucking amazing. So.
Apples, some celery juice, the pizza. Been in there a week.
Alright. Subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen. Peace out.